Number one, you don't know how to slap and you're interested in learning how to slap very well. This is the right video for you. Number two, you know how to slap, but you just don't know how to use them in simple scales or maybe in progression. This is the right video for you, okay? And I think this is my first lesson on me teaching how to slap on bass, okay? Before we start the breakdown or before we start the lesson, if you're new and you just want to learn how to do this technique on bass, subscribe to this YouTube channel and like the video and share this video to your friends, okay? And also I also do private class lesson. If you're interested, you'll see my Patreon link down below or my WhatsApp link down below. Click on any of the link to take you to the website or to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the breakdown. Let me show you an example of a slap. That was a simple bass slap, okay? So let me take you through. We'll be playing the slap on key G, okay? But before you want to know how to slap, there are simple things you need to put in mind, okay? There's something we call the thumb. You strike using your thumb, okay? I'm not going to take a full course on how to do all those kind of stuff, you understand? Because many of you have watched various videos on YouTube on how to do such things, okay? So, using your thumb and pluck. I know many of you know how to use the thumb to strike and pluck. You understand, okay? If you're totally beginner on this slap thing, you can DM me on WhatsApp, okay? So let's look at the first step. First of all, we will play a major scale that is on your G, okay? And let's use a major progression. So 1 4 2 5 1 4 2 5, okay? And also, if you want to make your slap very tight, there are many techniques you need to learn to, okay? Especially with the ghost note, the hammer on, the pull off, and all those kind of stuff, okay? So we'll be looking at the ghost note for today, okay? So when you are slapping and you want to use a ghost note, it is very simple. Just like plucking, you pluck, then you relax your hand on top of the string, then you pluck. You understand? That is how you can slap it, okay? So you see, you can do this exercise from your 1 to your octave. You understand? You understand, okay? So now let's look at what I want to show you. Okay, let's look at step 1. Okay, so make sure you have a metronome, okay? So you have your 1, your ghost note, 4 2 5. So the second one goes like this on your 1. So now you are bringing your root and your octave. You understand? Okay, so you hit the note, then you start from your octave. That is your pluck on your octave. That is your 1. Then you thumb on your root, your 1, a ghost note. So you are playing ghost note, okay? So you understand, okay? So you understand. Did you do it again? Okay. 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 Pluck, strike with your thumb, then pluck. Then you just relax your fingers on top of the string, okay? So 1 1, okay, 1, You understand? So do it slowly to all of the notes. You understand? Okay. Okay, so now we'll be going to your 4. You understand? So your thumb goes notes, pluck, thumb, then 3, you thumb on your 3, okay, and 4. So you understand? Okay, so practice this. You understand? Okay, take it slow. You understand? Okay, enter your 2. It's the same pattern from your 1 to your 4, the same from your 2 to your 5. Okay, so just follow the step. Now to your 2. You understand? So you understand? So okay, then 2, 4, 5, 5. So 2, 2, 4. Okay, 2 back 3 times, 4, 5, 5. You understand? Okay, so just take it slowly, don't rush. Understand? Okay, so now when you've done with that step, let's go to the step 3, where you will bring in some notes to spice it up. So before you hit your 2, you strike to your 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2, 5, 6, 2. Okay, so you thump on your 5. Okay, 5, 5, 6. You understand? Then 2. You understand? Okay, so just take it slow. You understand? Okay, so okay, so remember that when you are to go to your, when you are from your 3 and 4 and you're going to your 2, you do a ghost note. You understand? So start from plucking. 5, 6, 2. When you learn the first part, the second one, then the third one, you understand? Okay, just learn how to thumb very well. Okay, and also pluck at the string very well. Okay, don't get confused when doing that. So you understand? So when you're done, try to use them to all of the keys. Okay, so I think this is what I have for you today. Okay, take time, practice it. Sometimes when you're less busy, just use your thumb finger when there's no bass with you. doom, taku ta doom doom. Okay, just like you're playing drums. So when you are with an object, doom, taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom doom. You understand? See? You understand? Okay. So just tap taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom doom, taku ta doom, taku ta doom. You understand? Just take it slow. So just master it very very well. And when you're done mastering it, then you can just try to use them in any of your groove. Then you can start playing it in simple songs. Sometimes there might be a song that you just do a simple 1 4 2 5, then 1 4 2 5. Okay. Okay. So I think this is what I have for you. Just take time. Okay.